Anya. Today I make a skeleton, and the skull protects the brain and the rib cage protects heart.
Hi, my name is Akwa. I made a project. It's about skeleton. I did it by a rice. Starts the rib cage. If we don't have the rib cage, it won't protect our lungs and our heart. So the rib cage helps us to protect our lungs and heart.
The arm helps to push something. This is pelvis. Pelvis helps to stretch our legs.
This is the hand. You can hold something, and this is the pelvis. You can look there, look another way. This is my skeleton project. I made different materials from this one. There's glass, paper, and a cup of tea. My name is Sally, and today I'm going to show you the skeleton. This is the pelvis. It helps your legs to stay straight. This is the leg. It helps you to move and go like this. Leg helps to walk. And this is how the pelvis helps to sit.